Welcome! Today I'll show you how to create a beautiful wedding invitation in Canva.
Click Create a Design, search for Wedding Invitation, and choose the invitation template size.
Browse Canva's beautiful templates and choose one that matches your style. Now customize the background with soft colors and elegant floral decorations. Replace the sample text with the bride and groom's names using elegant fonts. Add the wedding date, venue, ceremony time, and RSVP details. Decorate your invitation with floral frames and premium design elements. Use Canva's alignment tools to keep everything neat and professional. Export your design as a PDF for printing or PNG for digital sharing. And that's it! Your beautiful Canva wedding invitation is ready.